Are you tired of dealing with stubborn pimples and acne? Don't worry. Today, I'll show you a simple and effective home remedy to get clear, glowing skin using ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. For this powerful acne remedy, you'll need 1 teaspoon of honey, a natural antibacterial and moisturizer, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, known for its anti-inflammatory properties, 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, a natural astringent that helps reduce scars and brighten the skin. Optional, a few drops of tea tree oil for an extra acne-fighting boost. In a small bowl, mix all the ingredients until you get a smooth paste. Make sure the consistency isn't too runny. Now, apply this paste directly onto your clean face, focusing on the areas with acne or pimples. You can also use it as a spot treatment for stubborn pimples. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes to allow the ingredients to work their magic. After 15 minutes, rinse it off with lukewarm water and gently pat your face dry. Your skin will feel instantly refreshed and hydrated. To get the best results, repeat this remedy 2 to 3 times a week. Don't forget to follow up with a gentle moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated and glowing. Here are some additional tips to prevent acne. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Avoid touching your face with unclean hands. Follow a healthy diet rich in fruits and vegetables. Always remove makeup before bed. With consistency, this natural remedy can help you achieve the clear, pimple-free skin you've been dreaming of. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe for more skincare tips and remedies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe for more natural remedies.